watch my camera die when I try to do this shit, and I'm gonna be pissed off. But it's alright because alright guys, let's get out of here.
Oops, that was my bird. Hey, Panini, don't you be a me. Thought you wanted me to go.
Dying because it's hot as fuck in here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted in a while, so I decided to try out the Beyond Meat, Beyond Beef, whatever you want to call it, burger from Burger King. I just finished my workout, so I'm hungry, and I haven't had a Burger King in years because it was just a little suspect to me. So don't know why I'm going there to try my Beyond Beef burger, but I have been dying to try this burger because, I mean, shit, why not? But yeah, so stay along for the journey, and if you guys have already tried this, let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned. We got 3%, guys, and I haven't ordered yet. Oh my gosh, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Alright, I think it's just wise that I just turn the camera off until the food is physically in my hand. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I shall see you guys in approximately 2 minutes later. Alright guys, so my camera got 2%, so we're about to do this. I got my Impossible Whopper, that's what it's called, so I did ask. Yeah, this shit was pretty expensive. This was $9 for the meal, so this better be good. And of course I had to get some french fries because, you know, so yeah, if you guys like this video, just let me know, because I would love to eat in front of the camera and you guys watched it. Like, I already love to eat, so yeah. So yeah, this is it. If you guys haven't seen it, this is it. It comes with honestly everything a Whopper would come on it. I don't do all that extra shit, so I just kept it basic as hell. Lettuce, guys, take a look at it. Lettuce, ketchup, and mayo. Yeah, so let's dig in. All right. This is really good. Wow, this is really good. I'm not sure they didn't. See, they might have messed around and put the real meat in my damn burger. And then now I'm not a pescatarian anymore. Yeah, they were really good. Really good. Really, really good. Like, it's just, it tastes like a real burger, man. I'm excited. Alright, if you guys ain't hit this yet, y'all sleep. Like, look at this. This is not. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my Impossible Burger. Shame on me for taking so long to try this out, but if you guys ain't tried this at Burger King, please try it while it's on the menu, and have a great day. I know you guys know how good this burger is. Like, it tastes like a real burger. I'm so excited. Like, I don't know what's taking me so long to try this. Like, go ahead, Burger King. Go ahead. Yeah. I'm being greedy. Whatever. People probably looking at me like, what is this girl doing? But this is really good. So, this has been my first ever, I won't say Impossible Burger, but first ever Impossible Burger from a fast food chain. So if you guys know of any more places that got Impossible Burgers, beefless, ground beef, whatever you want me to try, just let me know. Until next time, peace.